Hello my lovelies, welcome back. Today I am so excited because I finally got my Tati Beauty Volume 1 eyeshadow palette. I am so excited to play with this, do so many looks. Now I did this look right here and I am going to show you guys a little tutorial for you guys right now on how I did this look. Then I'm going to go in and just do a few swatches for you guys and then tell you what I think about the palette in general. So yeah, let's just hop on into this video.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think over to how close it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye. I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this eye look. This glitter is just beautiful. Now I have only been wearing it for about half an hour and I can already see some fallout right here on my face. I don't see much on this side. I see a little bit on my chin down here. So far nothing has gotten into my eyes, which most of the time I do feel like is a bit of an issue that I do have when I put loose eyeshadows. No, not loose eyeshadows, loose glitters on my eyes, because it can harm and hurt your eyes. But so far, not too bad. I really do feel like that NYX glitter glue really did do a good job at holding the glitter down. Now, let's see. So the eyeshadows in here, I do feel like blended out amazing. As you saw, I was pretty shook, like, what? When I applied this shade right here to my transition color. Now this color right here I feel like is the perfect transition color. Like, it's the perfect. She like hit it spot on. Now I do have to say that it is officially dark outside. When I started filming it was light, bright outside. Now it's a little bit dim in here and I do apologize. I'm using my studio light, so don't mind that. Now I'm going to go in and do a few swatches for you guys. I'll probably do, I don't know, I'm just going to pick a few to do on my hand. I know y'all probably have seen swatches and everything of this palette already, so I don't really want to do too much. This one is really pretty. There's some blue glitters and shimmers in that. I'm excited to use that color out for sure. I'm very interested in this color right here, the metallic, and metallic like blue. Ooh, yes. Now that has some blue and silver glitters in it as well. And then I'm going to go in with this champagne-y gold kind of color, which I don't quite see myself wearing too much because, ooh, okay, no, that's a lot lighter than I expected. I like the oranginess in it. Now, I'm not much of a fan of like brown shadows on me. For some reason, I feel like it always just looks really weird and it just doesn't fit me. So it's pretty shocking that I got a palette like this, but I had to support Tati. I've loved her so much. I've learned so much from her. Plus, I'm a really big fan of glitters, and I do love the shades up in here, and I love a good black. And you guys, this is probably one of the best matte blacks that I have used. I think it'd be really cool if she came out with singles. I think that would just be awesome. I think a lot of people would love that. But yeah, I think that's all I'm going to swatch. Like I said, there's tons of other videos out there where you can see swatches from this palette. One thing I did realize though, to give you guys an up close, this is what the glitter is looking like once I like used it and pressed down into it. It started clumping up and like falling out. But I really don't think that I've seen a formula that has a a pressed glitter that's not going to like do that. So I'm not going to complain much about that. One thing I do love is that it has that really huge mirror on it. It's such a clear mirror. This palette would be amazing to travel with. I love it. I got lipstick all over my teeth. But my overall opinion, I knew I would love this palette. Not just because I love Tati, but just because I've seen so many reviews on it. I don't really base off how I'm going to like it. But once I applied that first color, I knew how it blended that this palette is gorgeous, and I can see myself using it so much. I do really hope in the future to do more makeup for weddings and things, so I think that this palette would be like perfect for it. Anyway, I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more tutorials with this palette, definitely let me know down below. If you guys have not seen my recent video, I just tested out the new Blendiful sponge thingy from Tati, so be sure to go check that out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more from me, be sure you hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Hit that like button, it means so much. Subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Toodaloo.